Hey guys, Cody here at Gogg's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we are going to look at a 2022 Jayco White Hawk 27RB. We'll walk around the outside, show you the features, and then we'll head to the inside and give you a good look. So on this White Hawk we have two 30-pound propane cylinders up front with an electric tongue jack. This also has a spot for up to 2 batteries and a battery box. You got that molded front cap, blue accent lighting here, and then that windshield. 2 doors for your pass-through storage with the magnetic baggage doors. 12-volt cutoff here. Pass-through. Fiberglass exterior. Jayco does a VBL. It's vacuum bonded laminate. You've got the flush windows out here. So these are the frameless tinted windows. You do have a big slide out here. A little storage area there. Your black and gray tank drain is there, along with electric stabilizer jacks, 30 amp power supply, city water connection, cable and satellite input, and then you do have a black tank flush as well up at the very top. 4-inch bumpers, outside shower there. You do have the Goodyear Jayco spare tire cover and tire, backup camera prepped, a roof ladder, 250 pounds weight rated, J-Smart lighting, a very nice size awning on this trailer, outside kitchen here. So you're gonna have a refrigerator, and then you do have like a storage area here. J-port, we'll get to that here in a few seconds. Power outlets, lights. Mow-ride steps, so you got the triple step mow-ride entry. Extended grab handle. Back door here is gonna bring you into the main area. You've got a 6-gallon gas electric hot water heater. Output there for satellite and cable, and then 2 10 outlets right next to that. And then up above here is a TV mount. Back of the refrigerator access panel, and then your furnace. This here is going to be your potable water. This is where you fill your freshwater tank. And then we do have the J-port mounting system. So that's where you will hook up your Blackstone griddle. Folding entry steps into the bedroom. Outside speakers. And then your other door here for the pass-through. Head inside. Give you a good look around here before we start talking about it. So by far my favorite thing about the White Hawk is their character that they add to these things. We'll talk about some of the edging on the table, stuff like that. But to begin with, up here on your command area here, you're going to notice this has the J command system. This is where you'll run all your lights. You have the ability to plug that into your phone and run your trailer off an app. Then you have a secondary light switch panel there. You have the water heater and a fireplace on one switch. That's because you're only able to run either the hot water heater or fireplace, so you can't run them both together. Door here, we'll walk into the bathroom. You've got plenty of room in here. Nice little sink. You've got a huge medicine cabinet. use this for towels, whatnot. But on the plus side of that, not only do you have this one, but you also have another one hidden next to the shower. So lots of storage in the bathroom of this unit. Foot flush toilet here. You've got another little cubby down here, along with some more storage underneath. You've got a stand-up shower, so no tub in the bottom of this. Skylight above, and then you've got a sliding entry door for that. Nice little pantry here next to the dinette. So you can use it for pantry, or these shelves fold up and you can hang stuff in there. U-shaped dinette. And you can notice the little accents that they give these tables. Storage underneath, and then that storage compartment on the slide out is going to be for like the back side of your dinette there. Overhead lighting. Trifold sofa here, so this will fold out into another full-size bed. So far you've got 2 here and 2 here, and you'll have 2 up in the bedroom, so you're looking at about 6 people. Entertainment center, television, the IRV technology radio, and then you got the InnoFlame electric fireplace. You have another set of cupboards here. You have the Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. Cools down half the time of the gas electric, plus giving you more space for storage. You'll have a Furrion 3-burner cooktop in here with the folding glass top. Again, seconds as a splash guard. And then you do have an oven in this particular unit as well. Furrion range, built-in fan and light, and then the Furrion microwave up top. Overhead storage, glass doors. So that tells you they build some pretty dang good cabinets at Jayco. These are pocket screwed and glued. High-rise faucet with the sprayer, sink cover, cutting board with the dishes, dryer, and then you do have a 2-place sink there. Bedroom will have a pocket door, queen size mattress, linens closet there. This already has solar, so you got a solar panel up top with the 30 amp power controller. Reading lights next to the bed. There also is little cubbies back there. There's some outlets. Under bed storage. And then you do have your own little closet in here as well. So in here you'll have another mirror. And then like a dresser style spot to hang up jackets, hang clothes. And then that light is motion detected as well. We do have just a single unit AC on here, but it is all ducted, and then you do have in-floor heat as well through that furnace underneath the refrigerator. Lots of windows, makes the white of the cabinets, it makes it feel super bright in here. So if you have any questions about the 22 Jayco White Hawk 27RB, you can go ahead and shoot us an email. The email here is sales@gogscamperway.com, or you can give us a phone call. Phone number is 1-800-714-7895. Again, my name is Cody, and thank you for watching.